driving defensively, driving slow, and if you are riding a motorbike, riding with your helmet, and just riding with caution. I was very saddened to hear early in the new year, 2 people dying in a motorcycle crash. We as a people have to be far more careful on how we use our roads. We have lost Jamaica and her 17-year-old son, and we are now joined by her 12-year-old son, the only survivor of the accident. And I can imagine how difficult it must be for him to make sense of what has happened. So I'm asking all of you, my constituents, you are my family, my extended family. And I'm using this platform to appeal to all Jamaicans, right? All Jamaicans who are road users, who are drivers, pillions, passengers. Please use our roads carefully. It will save your life.